Hey guys, welcome to Login Ups. Today I'll be showing you how to log out of your Instagram account from all of your devices. And now let's dive right in. Now to log out of your Instagram account on all of your devices, first open the Instagram app and make sure to be logged into the account from which are the account which you want to log out of all of your devices. And after opening your Instagram app, guys, and after logging into the account which you want to log out from every other device, you can see at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there is the profile or the person icon over there. First we will be required to tap on that profile or the person icon, and over here, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is the three line icon available for us. Tap on that, and over here again tap on settings and privacy. From over here, guys, you will be required to tap on the account center of your Instagram account by Meta. It's at the top of the list, guys. Tap on that, and over here, guys, on the account center of your Instagram account, scroll down where you can see there is the password and security option available for us. Tap on that password and security option, and over here, guys, you can see there is the where you're logged in option available at the top of the list on the second tab under the category of security checks. Now in order to log out of every other devices we logged into the Instagram, simply tap on where you're logged in, and over here, guys, you can see there is the Instagram and the Facebook option available for us. We will be logging out of our Instagram account, so guys, let's tap on the Instagram option. And over here, guys, all of the devices that you currently are that you were logged into will be available over here. Now in order to log out of all of your devices, scroll down to the bottom of the list where you can see the select devices to log out. Tap on that select devices to log out, and all of the devices on which you are available will be able over here. Now in order to remove or log out of every devices now in order to log out of every device you logged into, select all of these devices you can see except the currently you're using, I guess, and after that tap on the logout button over here. You can see the logout button available for us, and then, guys, all of the devices or the extra devices on which we logged into our Instagram account has been logged out. And there, guys, this is how you log out of your Instagram device. And there, guys, this is how you log out of your Instagram account on all of your devices. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.